Okay, I think we're going.
What am I thinking?
Well, tell me what you think of your new cousin.
His name is Saturn. Cute.
And are his eyes open or closed right now?
Open.
He's doing the little crazy eye thing. So what have you been doing since you've been here? You were swimming at Grandma Carol and Papa Sid's.
No, I haven't swum today yet.
Not today? Because what did you do today?
I went to the library. I got a book called Pish Posh.
Uh-huh. And this dog is very big. We're going to move him back a little bit because he's...
Rocky.
Can you sit down, Rocky?
Rocky, sit down. Rocky.
Sit down. Good boy. Good boy. What else can you tell us about? You went to camp.
Yeah. Today was like creepy crawlers. Tomorrow was either smelly plants and smelly animals. And the girl named her name is Miss Danielle, and she's gonna bring a skunk.
Oh, that's good.
You.
P.U. How does a baby smell? Does he smell good?
Mhm.
Can you smell him?
What?
Yeah, can you smell him?
Mhm.
The babies smell good, I think, don't they?
Mhm.
Sometimes they smell like baby,
Fish.
like what?
Baby fish, cause that's stinks.
Okay. But right now he smells good, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah. And he looks pretty good, do you think? Did you think, is he bigger than you thought he would be, or is he smaller?
Bigger.
Bigger. You thought he was going to be a lot littler than this?
Mhm.
Yeah. Well, that's why we had to hurry over, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because if we waited much longer, he could be as big as Max. Yeah, you did a good job at holding him. Because you're going to be 8 years old. You want to make him...
I'm done.
Yeah? Do you want to make him wave goodbye? Bye, everybody. No. Okay.